how do we recover in a manner that facilitates inclusive growth? How do we do it such that the solution transcends the color of our skin, our racial background, political affiliations, or spiritual belief systems? How do we as households develop an intentional, capacitated, strategic, effective, and efficient system that can facilitate inclusive growth? You see, for inclusive growth to be achieved, there first needs to be an intention to develop growth. And for that growth to be inclusive, it means that many more people must feel and must be able to participate and benefit in the growth process of the economy, and to feel for the significant part that they are part of the molds from which they spend their money. These lootings are sending a very clear message that the high levels of unemployment, poverty, and inequality are not sustainable. We need to be intentional about building a new market, a dynamic market, one that can thrive in the fourth industrial revolution, where those who want to work will be able to do so and find jobs, irrespective of their educational background or literacy, where it's literally a matter of identifying what you're good at and having the time to provide that good or service, where those who want to set up their own businesses are able to do so, where it's a matter of not just knowing what to produce at the right price or the right time, but also of ensuring that your spending on your operations produces income.